everyone, it's Marcus here from the KENWOOD training team. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a few quick tips with the STZ-RF200WD so you can capture more than just the front and rear images from your new motorsport camera system. So let's get into it. Now, one thing that's great about this camera system is it's designed to capture images from both the front and rear of the vehicle. So we made sure that the cameras had lots of flexibility when it came to the mounting options. Doing so, we've actually gave you the ability to move the cameras around in many different positions besides just the very back of the vehicle and the very front of the vehicle. You can take advantage of this mounting style to put the camera in many different mounting positions. So let's say you have a track day and you want to get some footage of you riding the motorcycle and what's behind you. You can certainly set the cameras up to do so, and I'll show you exactly how. Setting up the camera in a forward, rear-facing position, like up here against the windshield, it's the same procedure as setting it up on the back of the motorcycle. We simply make our adjustments using the app inside here, rotate the camera to the right position, once we have our right side up view, we can fine-tune the adjustments to make the camera look as good as possible. All right, I'm happy with the position of that camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that mount and then apply my 3M tape. When you're ready to stick the camera in the final position, make sure you've already cleaned the surface and apply plenty of pressure when applying the tape. We now have the forward-facing camera underneath the headlight and our rear-facing camera mounted on the back side of the windshield. So let's finish the setup process so we can get to taking a ride. So now that we've got the cameras adjusted and close to where they need to be, we can now use the grid lines inside the app, sit on the motorcycle on flat level ground, and then use it to make any fine-tune adjustments to the camera's view. After that's done, we can tighten down the mount and go for a ride and see what we can capture. Now this little trick is sure to unlock the full potential of what you can do with the new STZ-RF200WD. Thanks for watching.
KENWOOD.